is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeada here. For those of you that are new, if you are new on this channel, I do lifestyle, home decor, DIY, and hair videos. So if that's content that you love to watch, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell link. That way you are notified every single time that your girl posts a new video. Today's video, as you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 3 hairstyles rocking a middle part when I'm tired of wearing my hair straight or wavy or curly, whatever. These are my top 3 go-tos. So if you want to see what they are, then go ahead and keep watching this video. Alright guys, so we are gonna start off with the classic bun. I have been wearing my hair in a bun all this week, so that is why it is pretty much like a wavy texture. So I'm gonna do that for you guys, show you guys how I do my bun. I've done this in previous videos, but today we are doing a little bit of slicking. Normally when I do hair, like different hairstyles, I don't really like slick the hair down, but today the edges is not straight. So we are going to add some edge control. And for the edge control, I'm going in with the Eco Style. This is the olive oil, well, the green one. I don't know like the different ones, but this is the one that I use. This is the one that works the best on my hair. So what I like to do is just put a little bit around the perimeter or edges of the hair. And you can see my hair is like curling up. That's because it needs to be washed. And like I said, I've been wearing my hair like this for a couple days now. So just from the edge control, it's just like got the hair curly. So I don't put a whole lot. And I'm then just gonna go in with my regular hard brush and just brush it. I usually put a little bit of water on it as well to slick it. Okay, and then I like to go in just with a regular ponytail holder. And when I'm doing like a low ponytail, I usually wrap the ponytail holder about 4 times because I be needing the hair like slick, you know? So just regular ponytail holder. I'm gonna turn around so you can see. Just gonna wrap. So this one 3 times, depending on how loose the ponytail holder is, but there's the pony. Okay, and so with the hair, what I like to do is just wrap and then twist. So now you can always wear a basic ponytail like this, but just take the hair and wrap it or twist and then wrap. So you get all the way around. So once you get to that last little piece, I usually try to hold it with my finger and then go in with another ponytail holder to catch it. So of course it's not perfect, but then I'll take my edge brush and kind of bring my sides out a little bit, little baby hairs. Like that. Just kind of mold it and swoop them, and then bring out a little sideburn. Same thing with the other side. Alright guys, so also with this, before I take this hairstyle down, you also can do braid, which I absolutely love. And with the braid, you can add weave to it. So let me know if y'all want to see me do like an extendo braid on my hair, because I've been thinking about rocking that one day. And I think it'll look really cute, like a really long braid. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be crazy. But anyways, so with the hair, you want to section it into 3 parts. Okay. And then you just want to go under and over and under and over. But yeah, you just want to go under, grab, over, grab, under. It's really hard to kind of explain how to braid. But one thing about me, if I don't know how to braid, I know how to make it look neat. And that's what I think is best. Like, making it look neat, you know? And then of course you can do, like, if you don't, I don't mind the ponytail holder being shown, but if you want to hide it, you can always keep a piece of hair out to where it's not showing, and you can wrap it and it's not showing the ponytail holder. But for me, I don't mind the ponytail holder being seen. But so here's the braid. It's pretty long. Try to fit it in the screen, but there's the braid. And then usually at the end, I'll just throw a rubber band on it. Yep. There's the braid. So this is another one of my go-to hairstyles. You can always braid the hair first and then wrap it to be in the bun. You could do middle ponytail with the braid, the low pony. I always rock the low pony. So I think it just looks really cute, and you can dress it up, you can dress it down. Like, I think it's cute. All right guys, so for my next hairstyle, if you know me, you know I love 2 French braids straight to the back. So that is what we're gonna be doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this down. So I just have my comb here, and I'm just gonna continue my part straight down to the back. It may not be as straight, but that's okay. So I'm just gonna put this one off on a ponytail holder to the side. So with this, you just want to take your ragtail comb and, make a little section in the front here. And I'll just do, like, say a little triangle. And you want to take that triangle part and you want to section that into 3 pieces. Okay. And so then you just want to start braiding. You just want to tuck the hair under and then grab like the next piece, if that makes sense. I really try to explain it. It's really hard to explain braiding, but you just go under and grab, under and grab. And this hairstyle usually would last for like maybe 2 days, and then I'll have to like redo it. You just want to go under and grab. Like that. I hope y'all can see. All in the camera, but I hope you can see. Alright y'all, so for the ends, I'm just gonna secure with some rubber bands. And I think I'm just gonna keep my hair like this for the rest of today and tomorrow. Now y'all, before I wrap up this video with this hairstyle, you can also put it like in a ponytail. You can put it in one braid, a braid to the side. You can put it in a bun. Like, you could do so many styles with just 2 braids. I've done a video, this was a while ago. I'll link it in the description, and also, I can't even talk. I'll link it in the description and also in the cards, that way you can click on it. That way you can get some ideas of how you can wear your hair with just 2 French braids. But this is definitely one of my go-to hairstyles. It's so easy. It does not take really long to do, maybe like 15-20 minutes maybe at the max. But of course, if you're a beginner and you're just learning how to braid, it may take you a little longer. Or if you are a braider, it may take you a little less to do. But on me, probably about 15-20 minutes. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna keep my hair like this for the rest of today and tomorrow. So this is gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below letting me know what hairstyles you guys want to see me do on my hair. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Join the Glamour Squad. Hit that bell link, that way you are notified every single time that I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick and TikTok at Yeada_B, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.